Hey guys, quick show and tell. Before I do an unboxing, I have a new Swiss Army knife. Just before I show you the unboxing, I just ordered it yesterday and I got it today. Just a quick show and tell here, but you know, this is my collection. And I don't consider myself kind of like a collector per se, because I don't just buy them just to collect them. I just buy them because I like them, or you know, it's something about them that I like. Oh, and also I got this book also. This book is pretty good. It gives you information like the history and evolution of the original Swiss Army knife, advice for collectors on the variants, how the Swiss Army knife is made, and the many tools that are available, surprising stories about the use of the knife. Guys, good book. Anyway, so really quick before I do my unboxing with the one that I just ordered, some of my favorite ones, like the Swiss Champ, of course. This one, guys, you have to get it. You know, it just has like a lot of tools on it that you can just carry this one if you need it. These are the ones with the marlin spike. That's where I got these, you know, for rope work, paracord work, whatever. This one is has the marlin spike. This one has the marlin spike. This one, you can tell, has more tools than the other one. This one has a set of pliers. There you go. This one doesn't. Oh, and they're two-tone because I changed the scales on them. And this one, you know, like I said, has the marlin spike also. The other one that has the marlin spike is this one right here, and big pliers. This one, the marlin spike looks just like that. So okay, and this blade right here, quite interesting. Doesn't have a liner lock, but it's locked up. So how do you close it? A lot of people that have this knife, they know, but this one is different, completely different. Just press this button right here, the little plus sign thing here, the little shield. Just press that and it closes, guys. Alox, my favorite Alox. I think this one is the Pioneer, I'm not sure. This one is the Explorer. The Explorer has the inline screwdriver. You know, it doesn't pop out from the middle right here like the other ones. Also has the magnifying glass. I don't know if you guys seen my other videos. I have a collection of a whole bunch of multi-tools and stuff like that. I don't, you know, like I said, I don't buy them just to collect them, just to have, but it's because I like them, and I just buy them every once in a blue moon. I've been collecting multi-tools and Swiss Army knife for years. My very first one was, I think I was like about 14 years old when my mother gave me one. I was just a kid. I said 14 years old, and I'm 54. That's 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 40 years. Holy smokes. Wow. Anyway, so these are, you know, some of the ones that I have. The classic, I recommend not getting the classic, guys. I recommend the Rambler, because if you carry this on a keychain, like yeah, this, well, I don't have the little loop like this one, and when you open it, let me open up the knife. See how the keychain ring here, it's gonna be in the way with the keys when you open it. So you can either get one of the other ones, like, see, this one is the classic, but get the Rambler. I prefer the Rambler, or get the Minichamp. This is the Minichamp. So let me get these out the way, and I am going to show you guys the latest one that I have, that I got. I was excited to get it because I never had it, so let me just get these out the way. Anyway, put these over here. Okay, so the new one that I got. Oh, and by the way, I had to fix my GoPro settings so it could be 4K, guys. So if you notice this video, it should be in 4K, so it looks much more crisper. Oh, and before I show you the new one that I got, this was the case that I built. I have a video on it. I built this for my Minichamp. I think it was a couple years ago, when I used to carry it like this, you know, without the without this clip here. There you go. Before I had a little, like a little a metal piece that came out through here, but it was, I think it was just better that I made it with the Velcro. There you go. You guys will probably find that video somewhere on my channel here. Anyway, so let's go ahead and unbox the other one that I have that I'm gonna start carrying. I've been carrying this one around my neck, and it's the most used Swiss Army knife that I, you know, that I carry. I've been carrying this for a while, but I think I am going to change to, where is it at now? I gotta, oh, here it is. Here it is, guys. Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Mini Champ. This is the Minichamp Alox. That's what I should have said. Minichamp Alox, if I'm saying it right. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this one. And I hope that it's, and they say, you know, it's much lighter weight and it's thinner. So let's go ahead and open this one. All right. I may be late to the game, but that's okay, you know. You gotta, you know, better late than never, right? But it wasn't time for me to get it yet, so I finally got it. This reminds me of those matchboxes. Here we go. Oh, it comes with instructions. Some of them don't. But this one doesn't come with the pen. It shows a picture of the one with the pen here. This is for, these are, it looks like these are the instructions for the other one. Handy ballpoint pen. Alright. Yeah, this is the wrong instructions, but that's alright. Okay. So here it is, guys. Look at that. What a beauty. What a beauty. Holy smokes. Oh yeah. Look at this. Wow. Let's compare it to this one. I'm going to start carrying this new one. Look at that. Much thinner, yeah. The only thing that you lose out on this one is the pen, which I really don't need because I carry a normal size pen every day with me anyway. So, and you lose the you know, the tweezers, which I don't need either because I do carry a knife. I carry this one right here. This one has the toothpick and the tweezers, which is different. So I carry this knife every day with me, guys. Wow, look at that. I should bring my little mini scale to weigh them, but that's all right. So here we go. Let's open this up. You could hear a little snap. Probably, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. 4K video, guys, so what a beautiful thing. It says Victorinox right there. We have the regular blade, nice and sharp. What I like about these blades is that they don't lock in place. Scissors. Some of these knives, what I realize is that the little nail nick should be on the opposite side. You know, like look at this one right here. This one, it should have been on this side, in my opinion. So let me just open these up. Every once in a while, you know, you gotta treat yourself. What's good about this one? Well, this really won't scratch as much as this one, so it feels like a little like beefy, you know. Like, let's see, this one kind of feels, I don't know, kind of feels heavier. Could be in my mind though, I don't know. I don't have the scale with me. I have a little scale, but it's somewhere. I gotta look for it. That's it, guys. So put this like this. There you go. So there you go, guys. Can't believe I finally got it. I cannot wait until I start wearing it around my neck. Let me go ahead and get some paper. And you know what? This is going to be my most used Swiss Army knife, I betcha. And that's it. I'm going to replace this one with this one. And I am going to show you, for those that haven't seen it, I made a video on this one before. And I want to explain something also about these knives. These multi-tool knives. Or Victorinox Swiss Army knives. Alright, just a little. I like to wipe down the excess oil. Alright, one good thing about these, I'm going to show you something. Let me just close these up. One thing that you will notice, let me just put this one on the side over here. I'm going to carry this around my neck, right? And by the way, I got this from Home Depot, these little clips. Home Depot's like 2 something. I just attached it just like that with the cow hitch. The little leather stopper here. By the way, I got these from First Class Amateur. Get them, guys. You know, he has, if you go to awesomeforsale.com, you know, he has a whole bunch of great stuff there. Unfortunately, I wish I could have all of that stuff, but you know, it's a lot that he has there. A lot of great things. I was thinking about ordering another Marlin spike. I have these Marlin spikes right here. I have like about 3 or 4 of these, and I was thinking about getting myself another one. You know, that it says the Gen X Handy Guy, something like that. I like the one with the names. It just, you know, I'll see. Anyway, so the good thing about these Swiss Army knives, that when you open the blade, watch this. I mean, you know, specifically this one. Let me open up the blade here. So you have this blade. It's not on this end. So you can just, this is around your neck like this, and you can just use it real quick to open up something, or just take it out, you know, detach it, and it's away from. Now if you have keys on here, even better, you know, because the keys are on this end, they're not on this end. This blade is not on this end, if you know what I'm saying. So the next one is, you know, they just put it in the right spot. Okay, so we got this blade, right? Wait. Okay, this one, we don't need this on this end, so I'm trying to open up the ones that are on this end here. Okay, so we got this one. And we got this one. Here's another one right here. It is opposite of the little keychain ring here. There you go. So this acts like an extra handle too. So you got that one, and of course you have the scissors, opposite end, guys. What a beauty. Close this up. So I think those are the most used implements here. The blades are on this side, guys. That's what they just made this one just you know, and put it in the right spot. Not like the Rambler. You can do the same thing with the Rambler. With this one, same exact thing, because it's like a carbon copy. The only thing that it has the I think this is they call this the Celador scales, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm mistaken, I'll just update it in the video. And you got the loop on this side, and also you have the tweezers on this end, and the pen on that end. So this is for the regular Swiss Army Minichamp. So there's your pen. But anyway, this video I was gonna put subscribe. Messy. So that's you know, quick unboxing, guys. Thank you for watching, and this is it, guys. I'm gonna be carrying this one from now on, and it is going to be my most used Swiss Army knife, because I am going to be carrying it around my neck. Guys, be safe. Please give me a thumbs up on the video. It helps the channel out. You know, I really appreciate you guys, those that are subscribing. And I have more videos, and as you can tell, the videos are in 4K now. You know, I had to set up my GoPro so the videos could come out much better. Be safe, guys. God bless. God bless America. Later.
Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about. Like, share, and follow. You know what to do with every new video. There's something for you.